15件。
这个好像要换一下，对过来一点。
那你调，你我帮你调。靠近一点，马上。这样。
这样子。
OK。
那个要转过去一点。
这样吧。可以了。
Hello everyone, this is Vivian from Account Technologies Limited. We are one-stop POS-related product supplier. I'm the host today. Welcome to our live show. Today I will introduce you our new handheld POS terminal. This is our new handheld POS terminal with this is our new handheld POS terminal POS-T2. As you can see, the design looks very close to the Sami model, and it is 5.5-inch touchscreen. The built-in printer is 58 millimeters, but for this machine, the printer can be used to print the thermal label as well. You see, generally for the handheld POS terminal built-in printer, it is support thermal receipt printing only. But for our T2, it can be used to print the label. So based on this function, the application can be more. You see, if the printer is for receipt only, you may use it in billing and invoice and so on. But if the printer can be used to print label, you can use it in warehouse or logistic and more applications. Here is the Type-C port. This terminal supports Type-C faster charging. And the terminal with built-in large volume speaker. Here is the button for you to adjust the voice. You see, not every terminal has this button to adjust the voice. And here is the reset button, and this terminal has optional barcode scanner function. If you choose the barcode scanner, this button can be used to scan barcodes. And here is the power button. The screen size is 5.5-inch, and the battery is 6,500 large capacity, and it is pure cobalt battery. You see, for the normal standard battery, if you put it for a long time and haven't been charging, you can't turn on the terminal when you receive it. But with the pure cobalt battery, no matter how long you put it in, it won't have the problem of when you turn on the machine. It won't get totally power off after a long time standby. And the default configuration for this terminal. Hello, Mr. Bensita. Hello. Welcome to our live show. Today I'm introducing our new handheld POS terminal. The cover for this terminal can be green, and we have stock for orange and blue. Based on your quantity, if you have large quantity, we can help to customize. And comparing to normal standard terminal, the advantage for this terminal is the The first point is the processor. We are making the Deca Core MT6797 2.3 MHz. It is much better than the normal POS terminal. And the second point is it has larger IAM, 3G large IAM. You see, the normal POS terminal is about 1 GB IAM or 2 GB IAM. And the communication for this terminal is 4G, which supports also 3G and 2G and so on. And the third point for this terminal's advantage is the NFC card reader is the default configuration. You can get the terminal with NFC as an option as default configuration. Another point is the printer for this terminal supports both thermal receipt printing, receipt ticket printing, and thermal label printing. What's more, the battery for this terminal is removable. As you can see, the battery for this terminal is removable. Hello, Mr. Hello, Mr. Model. Welcome to our live show. This is our new handheld POS terminal. You see, if the terminal with fixed battery, if the battery has problem, then you can't change it easily. And if the battery is removable, it is much more easier for the end customers if they met any problem. As you can see here, here are two SIM card slots. If you need, we can make it as one SAM card slot or one SIM card slot. The default configuration is 2 SIM card slots. But if you need, we can make it as one SAM and one SIM. Here, normally the customers will use the camera for barcode decoding, but if you need the built-in barcode scanner, we can help to add the 1D and the 2D barcode scanner. This is optional functions. You see, for other terminals, the built-in barcode scanner is CCD, but for CCD scanner, it can be used to read 1D barcodes only. But for our terminal, we can help to add the 1D and 2D barcode scanner, which can be used to read 1D barcodes like code 39, code 128, and we can also use it to read the QR code. Hello, Mr. Nasser. Welcome to our live show. If you are a wholesaler and you want to manage the device after you selling to your customers, you want to update your software, your app by the server, we can offer you the MDM or TMS service so that you can update your app for your customers online. And this terminal also supports OTA functions. If our terminal version has any updates, we can help to send you a notice, and you can update the version online directly. No need to plug the OTG port and update the version by PC. What's more, we can if you need fingerprint, we can help to add the fingerprint here. So this terminal has a lot can meet a lot of the requirements in the market, like a larger IM, the NFC card reader, optional 1D and 2D barcodes reader, and the fingerprint, SIM card slots, 4G communication, and the large capacity battery, and the good processor, and so it can meet most of the requirements in the market for the POS terminal. And the price for this terminal is also very good. This is our new model. We are putting the special promotional price to promote this model. So if you have any interest, please send us inquiry. Mr. Nasser, how are you? I'm pretty good, thank you. How about you? Our business this month is not bad. Do you have any demand for this terminal? What is your main business? The cover color can be customized. You see now it is green, and we have stock for blue and orange. If you have large quantity, we can help to customize the color for your own design. Now let me test the terminal for you. Hello, Mr. Richard. This is our new handheld POS terminal, T2, with 5.5-inch touchscreen. And the built-in thermal printer can be used to print thermal label as well. Now let me test this terminal for your reference. The cover for this terminal, the design is very easy to open. Here we have a gap for you to open the cover very easily. You see some terminal need to open like this. Maybe it is not so easy, but with this design, you can open the paper cover very easily, and it hard to cause damage for the cover. Firstly, let me show you the printing of thermal receipt printer. Hello, Mr. Golden. Oh, hello, Golden Leadership. Hello, this friend. Welcome to our live show. Now I'm tasting our new handheld POS terminal T2. This is the thermal receipt printing. Next, let me show you the barcode label printing. Here you can see our testing demo that we installed in this terminal. As you can see, when you print the difference for the receipt and label is the receipt is no gap and the continuously printing, but But for label, there is each label has a gap between each label, so the printer should have the sensor to detect the gap between each label, so that the information can be printed in the right position. Sorry, sir, I can't read Arabic. Can you type English? Can you please type me the English so that I can answer your question? This is the printing of label. So in the market, normally the built-in print are for receipt printing only. But for this terminal, we support both receipt ticket printing and label printing. With label printing, you can use it in more applications like warehouse, logistic, courier, and so on. Hello, Mr. Mohammed. Welcome to our live show. As I said, this terminal with default configuration of NFC card reader. As you can see, the NFC is 14443A protocol. The protocol is this type. Now let me show you the working of NFC. In each device, we will help to install our testing tool inside, so that you can test it very easily. You can get the device information, and you can test the scan for by camera, and the scan for the optional 1D and 2D barcode scanner, and the NFC card reader, and the printer. The printer can be receipt ticket printing or the label printing. Now let me show you the testing of NFC card reader. The chip is here. This is the testing for NFC card reader. Now we can test the camera, the scan. The scan can be camera and can be the optional built-in 1D or 2D scanner. If you choose the 1D or 2D barcode scanner, here you can see two camera here, one for optional barcode scanner, one for the camera. Now the device in my hand is only camera only, without the 1D or 2D barcode scanner. If you choose the 1D or 2D barcode scanner, the engine will be built in here. Now here is a QR code. Let me show you the testing of scan. Here we choose scan and choose the camera scan. You can read the QR code here. And as you can see, the default configuration is 3 GB IAM and 16 GB ROM. In each terminal, we will write the SN number in here, so that when you use the MDM or TMS service, you can manage your device by the SN number. as you may concern about the Google Play Store, in each terminal, we will help to install the Google Play inside so that you can use it very easily. The battery is 6,400 pure cobalt battery, and it is removable. As you can see, you can take off the battery by this cable. And normally in the market for other terminals, the battery is fixed inside, which is hard for after sales. If you have any after sales problems, it is hard to replace. And as you can see here, we have two SIM card slots. And if you need, we can help to make one SAM card slot plus one SIM card slots. This is optional functions. The optional fingerprint. The fingerprint can be added here. If you have any questions, if you need the price for this terminal, please send us inquiry. This is our new model. We have very attractive and competitive price now for special promotion. So please contact us and send us inquiry. Hello, Mr. Luca. Oh, my old friend Luca. Welcome to our live show. This is Vivian. Today I'm introducing our new handheld POS terminal. The advantages for this terminal include the first point is about the printer. This terminal with built-in printer for thermal receipt and thermal barcode label. The second point is about the processor. Comparing to normal POS terminal, this one has Deca Core MT6797 2.3 MHz processor. The third one is the default configuration include NFC card reader. And the RAM is 3 GB. It is larger than the standard 1 GB or 2 GB. And the battery is removable. The fingerprint can be added here. Hello, Mr. Luca, how are you? The NFC card reader is here. For this cover, we have stock material for orange, blue, and green. If you need, we can help to customize the color based on your quantity so that you can make some unique themes for your market. The screen size is a 5.5-inch touch screen. The optional functions include fingerprint and 1D or 2D barcode scanner. You see, for normal standard, for other POS terminals, the optional scanners can be CCD scanner only. But our POS terminal can add the 1D and the 2D scanner. CCD scanners can be used to read 1D barcodes only. But for 1D and 2D barcodes scanner, you can use it to read QR code and 1D barcodes. It has more powerful functions. Our warranty for this terminal is about 1 year, and for distributors we can offer 1 more month. warranty. The battery for this terminal is removable. The battery for this terminal is removable so that it is much easier for any after-sales problems. And the we have made 2 SIM card slots. If need, we can help to make it as 1 SAM plus 1 SIM card slots. About the software support, we can provide you SDK and the MDM service, the TMS service, and the OTA service. For example, if we have any version updates, we can put a notice to the device so that you can get the update notice. You can update the version directly online. No need to put the OTG cable and connect to PC and update the version. If you are a wholesaler, you want to manage your device, you want to manage the update your app for your customers, or you want to set some limit that your customer can only use your app, we can offer you the MDM or TMS service to meet these requirements. You see, if your SDK, your app has some updates, if you send it to your customer and update one by one, it is very complicated. But with MDM service, you can put your updated or the latest version of your app in the server so that your customer can update it by themselves, which is very convenient. Do you have any questions? Hello, Mr. Farad. Welcome to our live show. This kind of terminal is very popular for lottery and the post billing systems and the gas station and so on. Now, the most popular application of our customers is the post and billing systems and the lottery systems, lottery and betting, and the gas station, and the some customer even use it for the police station. It is very popular in Nigeria for lottery, and Nigeria, Sierra Leone for this terminal. We just get the Hello, Mr. Planet. Welcome to our live show. This is Vivian from Ocon. We are one-stop post-related products supplier. This is our new model and with very competitive price. The default configuration includes NFC card reader. The battery is removable, and we can help to add 1D and 2D barcode scanners and the fingerprint. Hello, Mr. Matt. Welcome to our live show. Now let me help to test. Let me show you the performance and the testing for this terminal. In each terminal, we will help to install the Google Play Store here. If you don't need, we can remove it. And in each terminal, we can help to install our testing demo here. If needed, we can send you our SDK for your software development. In our testing tool, you can get the device information here. As you can see, the resolution, the camera resolution, the CPU, the battery capacity, the Android system, and the IMEI number, the memory, the home memory, and the used memory here. Hello Eva, welcome to our live show. Now let me show you the scan. Firstly, the scan can be camera scan or the optional built-in 1D and 2D scan. Now here I can show you the camera scan. Here is a 1D barcode. Here is a QR code. You can scan it from the screen or from the paper and so on. Hello, Mr. Sadar. Welcome to our live show. Now let me show you the NFC. The NFC card reader and the single is here. It is the NFC. And for the printer, the built-in printer size is 2-inch, 58 millimeters, and it supports thermal receipt printing and thermal label printing. Now, the first one I will show you the thermal label printing. In our testing tool, you can choose the receipt printing or label printing. For the label, you can choose the size. This is the label printing here. As you can see, the difference for thermal receipt and the label is the receipt is continuously printing. There is no gap between each label. For the label, as you can see, there is a gap between each label. So generally in the market, the normal POS terminal has receipt printing only. If you want to print label, it need to use different printer head and printer sensor inside. Or if the printer inside is label printing, it will have the sensor to detect the gap between each label, so that the information can be printed in the right position. Hello, Mr. Timov. Welcome to our live show. This is the label printing. Now let me show you the thermal receipt printing. For the cover, we have a easy opening design here. With this design, you can open it very easily. As you can see, it can be used to print different font size, the 1D barcode, the QR code, 2D barcode, and pictures. The dimension for this label roll can be installed inside is 40 millimeters. Hello, Mr. Joseph. Welcome to our live show. How are you? This is the printing, and we have helped our customers tested the food delivery app, and the very common and popular app, the Loyverse app. If you have your own software and app, please send us. We can help to test it. The charging is Type-C charging. We can match you the Type-C cable for faster charging. The color is black, but for this cover, we have green color, orange and blue. For orange and blue, we have stock material for faster delivery. We just sent us our in about 1 week ago, a customer just asked about 500 pieces, and they fastly sent us their app for testing and confirmed the terminal and ordered 500 pieces. And now we have sent out the terminals. It is very fast. So if you have app, we can help to test, and so that you can check if our terminal workable for you or not. And if you need sample or bulk order, we can send you very fast, because we have made some stock terminals for faster delivery. The default configuration for this terminal is Deca-Core MT6797 processor, and the RAM is 3 GB. As you may see in the market, the normal standard memory is about 1 GB or 2 GB, but we made 3 GB as default configuration. Meanwhile, the price for this terminal is very attractive and competitive. So please contact us for more information. Hello, all dear friends in our live show. Do you have any questions need me to clarify? We can help to, if you have your own app, we can help to install it when producing. If you have any customized demand, like the color, your brand, the package, and the MDM or TMS service, install your own app, and so on, we can help to do it. Do you like this? Do you like this green color? This is our special unicorn color for handheld POS terminal. How do you think of it? The communication is 4G, and it supports 3G and 2G also. As you can see, the back cover is removable, and the battery is removable. Here is a cable, you can take it off. So it is very convenient for you or your customers to do after sales service maintenance. Here you can see we made 2 SIM card slots. If you need, we can help to make 1 SIM card slot plus 1 SAM card slot. The battery capacity is 6,400 mAh. It is very large capacity. If you want to know more details and specification, please send us inquiry, and please send us inquiry for price and data sheet and so on. We can send you our video and pictures for reference. Ocom is one-stop post-related products supplier. Our featured products is POS terminal, receipt printer, cash drawer, and barcode scanner, and so on. For this kind of terminal, it is very popular in our main markets is South America and some Africa countries like Brazil. Each order we have one customer who has ordered about 5,000 pieces per order. The quantity is very large, and we have customers in Nigeria for lottery application. The quantity is also about 3,000 pieces per order. So if you have any interest, please contact us for more information. Our warranty is 1 year, but for distributors or wholesalers, we can offer you 1 more month. We have stock material for faster delivery, like 1 to 3 days for sample and about 1 week for bulk order. If you have your own app, please send us. We can help to taste and show you video that if it is workable in our terminal or not. The optional function for this terminal is barcode, a 1D and 2D barcode scanner. You see, comparing to other suppliers' device, they can add CCD barcode scanner only, but we can help to add 2D barcode scanner. For CCD barcode scanner, it can be used to read the 1D barcodes only, this type. But for 1D and 2D barcode scanner, it can be used to read these 2 types, the QR code and the 1D barcodes. And we can help to add the fingerprint here in this site. The charging is Type-C charging, faster charging. The screen size is 5.5 inch high resolution. Now it is our new model, and we are offering the very competitive price for this terminal. So please contact us for more details. The default configuration includes NFC card reader, 4G communication, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, camera, and so on. What's more, it has built-in large volume speaker, and we have the button here to adjust the voice of the speaker. Not every terminal in the market supports the voice volume adjustment, and not every terminal has button here, but we have this design. Once we have a customer specially asked this button, they found a lot of devices in the market. Only this device can meet their requirements. We have designed the button here to adjust the terminal speaker's voice volume. And the whole design for this terminal, it is anti-scratch. As you can see the cover here, it is anti-scratch. The Android version is Android 8 currently. It is Android 8 version. Hello everyone, this is Vivian from Ocon Technologies Limited. We are one-stop POS-related products supplier from China. Today I'm introducing you our new handheld POS terminal T2. This is a 5.5-inch touchscreen Android handheld mobile POS terminal with built-in 58mm thermal receipt printer. For this printer, it can be used to print thermal receipt ticket. Meanwhile, it can be used to print thermal label as well. You see in the market, the terminal you can find is for thermal receipt printing only. But for our terminal, it can be used to print thermal label as well. What is the difference? The difference is to print thermal receipt, the paper is no gap and continuously printing. But for label, there is a gap between each label. So it requires the printer should have a sensor to detect the gap between each label, so that the information can be printed in the right position. Our terminal can be used to print receipt ticket and label ticket. With this function, you can have more applications like the courier and the inventory and so on. Besides, comparing to normal standard POS terminal, which has 1 GB or 2 GB RAM, we made larger 3 GB RAM as default configuration. What's more, the processor for this terminal is Deca-Core MT6797 2.3 MHz which makes this terminal runs very fast. It has removable, large capacity, 6,400 mAh pure cobalt battery. The battery is removable. Hello, Mr. Morrow. Welcome to our live show. Do you have any questions about our terminal? It has 2 SIM card slots. If you need, we can help to make it as 1 SIM card slot plus 1 SAM card slots. The charging is by Type-C faster charging. The default configuration includes popular NFC card reader, 4G communication, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, camera, GPS, and large volume speakers, and so on. We have designed a button here to adjust the voice volume. You see, not every terminal has this button design here. The optional functions include the 1D or 2D barcode scanners. Comparing to other terminals, the optional barcode scanner can be CCD only. CCD barcode scanner can be used to read 1D barcodes only, but for this terminal, the optional barcode scanners is 1D and 2D. You can use it to read both 1D 2 barcodes and 2D barcodes. And if needed, we can help to add the fingerprint here. So this terminal has very powerful and strong advantages than other terminals, but the price is very competitive. Please contact us for more details. As you can see, the cover here is green, but we have stock material for green, blue, and orange. The paper opening for this terminal is very easy. You can open it very easily and install the paper roll. And the battery is removable. Hello, Mr. Sami. Welcome to our live show. The battery is removable. It will be very convenient and much more easier for the end customers to do after sales maintaining if they met any problems. And as you can see, here are 2 SIM card slots. If you need, we can help to make it as 1 SAM and 1 SIM card slots. For the software aspect, we can help to provide the SDK for software development, and we are also offering the OTA service, MDM service, and the TMS service. If our internal version has any updates, you can send you notice so that you can update the latest version online directly. And for MDM service, you see, if you are a wholesaler or you are a software provider, if you have any updates, any version updates, or any resolution for the bug, you need to update the SDK for your customers, right? If you send the SDK for your customers and ask them install one by one, it will be very complicated. But with MDM service, you can send us or we can provide you an account. You can put your latest version SDK and app inside so that your customers can download it directly and update it. Meanwhile, if you want to set some limitation for downloading or using your app only, the customers can't use other software, we can help you to set the limitation. When you turn on the terminal, if you want to customize your own rebooting logo here, we can help to do it. Now let me show you the performance. In each device, we will help to install the Google Play Store and our testing tool here. In our testing tool, you can get the device information to test the scan, the NFC function, and the printer. Now let me show you the scan. The scan can be camera scan and the optional built-in 1D or 2D scan. Now let me show you the camera scan. Here is a QR code, and you can scan it very fast. About the NFC function. Okay. Then about the printer. In the printer, you can test the thermal receipt paper roll and label roll. Firstly, let's show you the label roll. As you can see, when you printing the label, the sensor will detect the gap between each label, and it will turn back and then go out. This is the step to detect the gap between each label. Now, let me show you the receipt printing. The dimension for paper roll inside is 2 inch plus the dimension is 40 millimeters. It is no need paper roll core to install the label. Just put it inside, so it is very easy to install the paper roll. Hello, Mr. Bakayako. Welcome to our live show. This is the printing. It can be used to print different font size, the 1D barcode, the QR codes, the pictures. We can send you SDK. In SDK, you can set the font. Find the command for 1D barcodes, command for QR codes, and so on. Hello, Mr. Petrona. Welcome to our live show. This is the printing test. Now we have stock material for faster delivery. The sample can be sent out in 1 to 3 days. 500 pieces or 1,000 pieces can be sent out in 1 week. The battery is 6,400 pure cobalt battery with Type-C faster charging. The memory The memory is 3G IAM and 16G ROM. You can use the camera to read barcodes only. Also, default configuration include NFC and large volume speaker inside. Hello, sir. I received a link about the cash drawer trigger. May I know if you need the cash drawer trigger or the POS terminal? Cash drawer trigger, we have this item. This is our new model with very competitive and attractive price for promotion now. So please contact us for more details and offer. Hello, all friends in our live room. Do you have any questions about this terminal? Hello, Mr. Abdul. Welcome to our live show. If you haven't any questions about this terminal or about our company, we will finish today's live show. So see you next time. See you. Bye.我还没拜拜你就给我断了。
没断啊。
没断，我
你自己点的。
在哪里断？我没有点。
就可以啊。
我没有点，在哪里点？
插掉就。
哦。